Okay, so let's decorate some sugar cookies. Mine aren't perfect. Some of them has bubbles. I use dipping method because I don't have time for this. They are all very, very imperfect. But with this technique, it will look really pretty. Trust me. You will need some airbrush colors, a palette where you will mix the airbrush colors with some alcohol and a brush. Something with long, soft bristles. I like this one. So in my palette, I will just add a drop of each color that I chose. And then I add a little of my alcohol. You can see that green is very pale and the violet is very concentrated. So let's start with, it will be cookies for girls, so let's start with pink. Yes, so just drops of pink here and there. We will need more. Okay, more pink, more alcohol. Ooh. Okay, let's do the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we just apply with alcohol. So when it dries, it creates this, you can already see some watercolor effect. More pink, more alcohol, more alcohol. Okay. I missed a cookie. Wow, how it happened? Okay. Don't worry about any mess. They will look great at the end. Okay, one color is done. I will wipe my brush a little, and then I'm going to do blue. No, maybe green. Let's do green. It started to separate, but it will be still fine. We will mix it and just put it near the our pink. Okay, looks good so far. Oh my god, that's why I don't do this on camera. It will be fine. I almost spilled everything, but it'll be fine. More. Oh, this is quite a bright color. Okay, I hope it will be enough. Yes. Okay, I'm going to wash my hand real quick. And I'm back. Let's do blue. My yellow mixed with violet, so let's do blue. Okay, blue near the green. Okay, it's very bright color. 1, 2, 3. And usually I try to do like little S because it dries very nice. You need like a drop. You don't want to paint, you need to drop some color. So when it dries, we will have the watercolor effect. Okay, so far so good. Now we need new yellow, right? Because this one got... Maybe let's do purple first. Purple in the middle. Let's do like a little purple. Purple, purple, purple. Okay. Looks great. They all look different. Usually I add gold at the end, but not this time because it will be for a kids party. Don't think we need gold. Need a tiny bit more purple for my last few cookies. Maybe it will be too concentrated, but okay. Then what I like to do, I like how this purple dries. You see? Ooh, so pretty. Let's do then. I was going to do pink splatter, but let's do purple. So just like this. You get a little on. Wow. Okay. And then finally yellow. Do we need yellow? Let's add yellow. This design is very nice. You can do whatever you want, literally. It will still be pretty. Ooh, yellow, yes. It really needed this yellow. Maybe like even more yellow. Now it's like rainbow. Okay, more yellow. I'm running out of yellow, so I hope it'll be enough. Yes. And maybe some yellow sparkle, some yellow, sorry, the splatter everywhere. Maybe some pink. Because I have some leftovers. Usually I just try to use all the colors I have left, or maybe make the pink a little brighter here and there. That's it. Ta-da! This is the final product. Which one is my favorite? Which one is like this one? Still need time to dry. So with this one, no one will care. Trust me. And kids, they will love these rainbow cookies. And later, you can either write something or leave it as is. Rainbow cookies. Here we go.